Today I am potting up my strawberry seedlings. I thought I'd show you how to do this, as there is just one important step that you do not want to miss or your strawberry seedlings might just die. So let's get going here. First, I'm going to show you what soil I like to use for my potting mix when I put all my transplants into their pots. So in this, I have 3 parts Pro Mix all-purpose potting soil, which is my peat base. Then I have 1 part worm castings compost and 1 part half perlite for aeration and half vermiculite for moisture retention. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to mix some water. This is some hot water to kill any bacteria that might be in the soil. So just giving that a very quick mix there. You want the soil to be pre-moistened, but you don't want it to be saturated and ringing with water. So I'm just adding just enough. In past, I have just potted my seedlings just in the Pro Mix all-purpose and have found that there's just not enough nutrients in that bag of soil to last your seedlings for a while. So that is why I do this mixture, and it seems to do much better. So there we have it. The soil is not soaking, but it's just enough for that. Now I'm just going to fill a few pots. I like to use these 2.5-inch pots for the smaller seedlings, but some of these in the cell tray are larger seedlings. So the larger seedlings I'm going to be putting into these 3.5-inch pots. So I'm going to choose 2 different sizes of plants. So this one has a big plant. So you see this bottom part of the strawberry plant right there, that is called the crown. You do not want to bury the crown, because if you bury the crown, the stem will rot and it will cause your plant to die. So I'm just going to lightly shake off some of the excess soil that's in there. Just like that, you can see the healthy roots. And I'm just going to hold it by that crown and plant it just at the level that I found it. I just added a little bit more soil around there. So as you can see now, I did not cover the base of that root system. You just want to plant it at the level it's already at. So there's the bigger one in the 3.5-inch pot. I'll put that over here. And then I'm going to take this smaller, whoop. Now I'm just taking this smaller plant, got all the roots off of it just like that. And I'm just gonna push the roots right in there, grab a little bit more soil. And just enough to cover the roots, but not the crown. So you can see on that one, the crown is not covered, but the roots are covered. So there's the 2 different pots. You can see the 2 different plant sizes right there. Well, there you go. That is how you transplant strawberry seedlings into your pots and to be able to keep them nice and healthy. So if you like this video and you would like to see more gardening tips or gardening videos like this, please hit the like button, hit subscribe on the channel, and we'll see you on the next one. And like always, thank you for watching.